Hi everyone, my name is Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how I get my makeup ready for Christmas holiday pictures. So I didn't want anything overly dramatic, but I wanted it to still look not every day because I wouldn't wear this every day with the long lashes, but I did add some sparkle from the Tarte Beauty palette, and I just wanted to look um, good for pictures. So with my lipstick, I don't like a dark lipstick or bright red. I do it darker than my lip color, but still that where it pops. And all of my features just kind of pop a little bit more than they would naturally. And I think it is perfect for Christmas pictures. And I'm going to add some Christmas earrings and then like a red shirt or something. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, keep on watching.
Okay, we're going to start by spraying our face with the Caudalie Beauty Elixir and priming with the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. You guys will notice I finally had time to set up my Christmas lights behind me. For foundation, we're using Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the shade Natural Beige. I'm applying this with my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge and just really blending in to make sure that it is a seamless finish and blends into my skin very, very well. So I'm concealing with my Tarte Shape Tape in light medium sand. It's not only my favorite shade, but it seems to just go with all of my shades of foundation that I have currently. So next I am going to set with my Tarte Shape Tape loose translucent powder. I first go in with my sponge and then I kind of dust an all over face dusting with my F37 Spotlight Duster. I love this brush for all over powder application. And then I'm going in with my contour kit. So this is my Kat Von D Shade and Light Face Palette, and I'm using my F40 angled contour or large angled contour brush for this, and just contouring all of the areas of my face where I want a little bit of shadow. I'm using my Milani blush. This is the Baked Blush in 04 Berry Amorè with my F10 powder blush brush. And of course highlighting with my F03 high cheekbone highlighter and my Mary Lou by the Balm highlighter, which is my favorite. For brows, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Whiz and Dip Brow Gel in the shade Medium Brown. Because I have it, I decided to use my new Jeffree Star liner. This is the shade Assets, and this is a really dark forest green. I feel like it gives something different rather than a black eyeliner, which can be a little bit more harsh. This is still a dark color, and it still kind of shows my eyes off a bit, but it's not so dark. And for lip liner, I'm using my Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in 09 Spice, and lipstick will be the NARS Liquid Lip Color. And so I think it's American Woman. I just wanted to note that I'm not using dark colors on my face at this point because I want my features to stand out in photographs, but not be really, really crazy or dark. So with my shadow, this palette is the Jeffree Star Orgy palette, and I'm just using it to do some contour work on my eyes. This palette is amazing for that, and I want to use a warm kind of neutral color in my crease just to give it some definition, and I do use more of a gray tone on the outside corner just to, again, balance out my eyes, just make sure that they to make them look a little bit further apart, and especially for photographs it really helps to give your eyes a little bit of shadow. So here I'm just using my E30 pencil brush to swipe a little bit of a darker shade on my lower lash line to also give that some definition and an accent. And here I'm using a tiny little brush to add some of this matte light color to my inner corner and also my brow bone. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Black Liquid Liner to add a thin line to my upper lashes to make them appear a little bit more full. And next we're going to add some mascara, so I use my Tarte Man Eater Mascara for that. And the lashes I'm using today are the Pro Beauty Essential 3D Foaming Wispies. And the last step is to add some setting spray, so I will be using the Morphe Continuous Mist Spray. And the last finishing touch for the eyes is of course adding some sparkle to the lid, so I am using my Tarte Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette to add a little bit of inner corner highlight, and then I use a brush just to add some of the shade Aura all over my lid, and it gives it a little bit of highlight and sparkle without being too much.
Guys, that is the end of this makeup look. So I put my hair down and I added a red shirt for Christmas pictures and these cute, adorable Christmas earrings. They're little stockings. And that is it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. It would help me out so much. And last but not least, to click that little bell button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. We'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.